Modern Miss Huxtables, welcome back. Missed you guys. I am here to announce today that I will be having a giveaway, and this is just a way to show my love and appreciation for you all. If I only had 2 subscribers ever and 4 video views, I know personally that my purpose is to help and motivate and uplift and empower people. And so it means the world to me. Each and every subscriber that I get, each and every comment that I get, it means the world to me. And what knocks me off my feet even more and allows me to continue my journey and continue to have faith and passion and the fuel and motivation is when I get messages of women saying things like, you know, I've never subscribed to a YouTuber before, but I really believe in your vision, I really like your message, so I subscribe to you. Or when women tell me, you know, some of the things you've said I've never heard before, they've motivated me to make changes, or, you know, I've never gotten all this information or felt so empowered by what I was learning. And those things literally humble me so much, and I appreciate them so much. I do not take them for granted. They really genuinely mean a lot to me. And so I just wanted to do a little something to give back to you all. I wish I could give more. I wish I could be Oprah on here giving away cars and scholarships and all types of things. But hopefully, you know, if my vision continues to come into fruition the way that I dream about it, that might be a reality someday. So here are the rules of the giveaway. So I will be mailing the things. I'll show you what I picked out to your home or whatever address you provide me with, whether that be a P.O. box or address. So I just ask that to enter you be 18 or older or have your parents' consent. I'm not restricting it just to the U.S. because I know I have jewelry, I have things sent to me from all over the world, from Kenya, from all over, and I feel like that's not fair. We live in a global world and the internet's global, so I'll just have to spend the extra money if a winner wins that's overseas or outside the U.S., but that's okay. And what else? Okay, so I do have an Instagram. It's Modern Mrs. Huxtable. It's the same as my YouTube name, and of course you guys are watching my video on YouTube, but I feel really uncomfortable about requiring people to be subscribed to both social media networks or subscribe to my channel. I really want people to subscribe because they feel moved by my message or they feel impelled to support me. So you don't have to be subscribed to either of my channels. I'm not going to check, but of course I appreciate it, and of course that allows you to stay updated on my video posts in my life, but that's up to you. The only thing that I am requiring you to do is to comment on this video below and to just state something. Either be a statement or a question. So a statement being like, I learned so much from this Dear Sister project video. More specifically, I learned about how to make a value board and that's really helped me, or I started journaling. So like it could be constructive criticism as well, like your videos are too long and I a lot of times don't have time to watch them, but I still love you and keep doing a good job. So just some type of commentary or feedback. And then also it could be a question or both. Just like, could you do a series on blended families, or could you do a series on college, or could you do a series on, you know, protective styles? I don't know, maybe something that I haven't done thus far that you're interested in. If you have sent me a message or given me a comment already, like I know someone asked me to do a tutorial on makeup and I am going to do that. Like if you've already asked me, you don't have to ask for the same thing. But I just feel like that way, because I feel bad that I don't have something to give to everyone. That way, at least if you leave a comment or a message or a question, I can try to address it in one of my videos, and then everybody feels like they're included, or I've taken, even though I read all of your comments and messages anyway, they can feel like they're included, and I'll hopefully be able to respond to those questions or those topics in later videos, and everybody can feel that they benefit. So, yeah, those are the only rules. I'm going to post below the deadline or the date for when the contest will close. So I'm not going to be judging or rating the comments. I will be reading all of them, and they'll help to inspire me and give me, you know, feedback for things to make videos about moving forward. But I'm not rating them. So I'm going to, if 200 people participate or 3 people participate, I'm just going to calculate, give each one a number, and then do a random number application on my computer, do a random number search and choose a number. Hold on my phone. Okay, sorry, I had a phone call. That was my eye doctor. I hate when people interrupt me when I'm filming. This is important. So back to my giveaway. So what I'm giving away are I have two things. So 2 sets. So I'll pick 2 winners. So when you enter, I'll just randomly sort all the names and then choose choose 2 winners randomly. I'll send you an email letting you know that you won, and if I don't get a response within, let's say, like 5 days, then I'll reach out to somebody else. So there will be 2 winners, so your chances of winning are higher, because like I said, I really wish I had something for everybody, but I just can't afford that right now. So what you'll be receiving is a journal. For those of you out there that are PETA lovers or believe are against animal cruelty, they're not leather, they're like mock leather, but it's mock purple leather, and it's embossed with the words "Be beautiful, be yourself." And it's a really nice quality journal. It has like a little insignia at the top of each page, and I just thought this would be a really nice gift to give away to a young lady or a young man. And it's purple inside in terms of the first page, and I wore purple today to signify being regal and being beautiful and loving yourself and empowering yourself. So you could use this to on the first page make your value board like I have in my Dear Sister project #1, or kind of go through each of the videos and write out or do the challenges that I told you to do, or start journaling. I've gotten a lot of great feedback from women saying that they had already been journaling in their lives or started because of my videos, that have been really, a lot has been revealed to them in terms of certain things that they wanted to improve in a heightened level of consciousness. So that's amazing. So you'll I have 2 of them. They're the same thing. And then I also thought was really, really cute, I got these branch pencils. So they're hand carved tree branch pencils, and they're made from sustainable tamarind trees. And I thought it had on here where they were made, in Thailand. So it's a set of 10 pencils, and I thought they were just so cute. They make for really cool, like, decorative pieces, and I thought that would be nice to give along with the journal to draw or sketch or write. So you'll each get a set of the pencils and a journal, and then I got 2 cards. The first thing, what would you attempt to do if you knew you could not fail? So as you guys know, that's one of my like big mantras, and I had that on my desk most of the time. And then I have this other card that says walk with the dreamers, the believers, the courageous, the cheerful, the planners, the doers, the successful people with their heads in the clouds and their feet on the ground. And I just want to encourage women to dream, to aspire, to rise up out of whatever situation that you're dealing with, and to surround yourself with positive people that are going to motivate you towards being the best version of yourself. So I thought these 2 cards at this point really stand for the direction that I'm trying to move with my channel and with my life and with some of my career endeavors. So I will be writing in your card. When I reach out to you, you can disclose as much information about yourself as you would like, or you can choose not to. But I'm going to write you a personalized card handwritten by me, just with words of encouragement and saying thank you for entering the contest, thank you for supporting me and watching. So you'll get a card, a journal, and a set of pencils. So like I said, all you have to do is comment below, either comment a piece of feedback, constructive or positive, about my videos, or a question or something that you'd like to hear more about, or something that you've been yearning or wanting to see on YouTube, or wanting to see a YouTube vlogger talk about and haven't seen yet. Like, that would be great, because it would give me a lot of inspiration, and then everybody feels like they are contributing. I really don't want this to be something where I'm just like lecturing people, or they don't feel like they're involved. I don't hear their voice, because your voice matters, and your voice is just as important as mine. So thank you so much for watching. I'll be posting below the requirements and details of the contest as well, and also the deadline. So please, if you know people that want to enter, or you know a young lady that would really benefit from these gifts, or would like to reach out and put something, please do. And like I said, words cannot express enough. No tokens of my appreciation can express enough how much I genuinely value and think the world of you for watching my videos and supporting me. So thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video, and good luck. Bye.